Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your trusted destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most awaited SUVs of the year, the 2026 Honda CR-V. The CR-V has always been a crowd favorite, practical, comfortable, and impressively reliable. But Honda isn't just resting on reputation. With the 2026 model, they've redefined what a modern family SUV can be: smarter, sleeker, and more efficient than ever before. So buckle up, because in this video, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new Honda CR-V 2026, exploring its design, performance, interior, technology, and the special features that make it stand out in the compact SUV segment. Let's start with the first thing that catches every eye: the design. The 2026 CR-V comes with a more refined and confident look. The exterior has been sculpted with sharper lines in a wider stance, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The front grille has been redesigned, bold yet elegant, framed by sleek LED headlamps that feature Honda's latest illumination technology. The signature daytime running lights stretch beautifully along the edges, giving the CR-V a modern and premium identity. The rear design continues the sophistication with redefined taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and dual exhaust tips that hint at its sporty nature. Depending on the trim level, you'll find 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels that not only enhance its look but also improve road stability. Under the hood, Honda offers two powertrains for 2026, a refined turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a next-generation hybrid system. The 1.5-liter turbo engine produces around 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth acceleration for both city and highway driving. But the real star is the hybrid model, pairing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors. Together, they produce an impressive 204 horsepower, offering a fine balance between power and fuel efficiency. The hybrid CR-V gives you that instant torque from the electric motor, making it quick off the line and incredibly responsive. Honda has tuned the hybrid setup for a more natural driving feel, something that's often missing in many hybrids. And yes, all-wheel drive is available across trims, which means the 2026 CR-V is ready for weekend adventures, whether it's rain, snow, or rugged terrain. The real-time AWD system automatically transfers power to the wheels that need it most, keeping you confident in every condition. Honda has also worked on improving ride quality and handling, with a stiffer chassis, refined suspension geometry, and better sound insulation for a quieter cabin experience. Now, let's talk about the interior, because that's where the 2026 CR-V truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist yet elegant cabin inspired by Honda's latest design philosophy. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with high-quality materials everywhere you look. Soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and a tasteful mix of metallic and matte accents give the interior a premium vibe. The seating comfort has been improved with redesigned front seats that offer better lumbar support for long drives. In the back, passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the rear seats recline for added comfort. Cargo space remains one of the CR-V's strongest points. Even with all seats in place, you get ample room for luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Fold the rear seats flat, and the CR-V transforms into a mini cargo hauler, perfect for road trips and adventures. Honda's smart storage solutions, like the adjustable cargo floor and clever cubbies around the cabin, make everyday practicality effortless. On the tech front, the 2026 CR-V takes a big leap forward. The centerpiece is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is faster, more intuitive, and beautifully integrated into the dashboard. You also get a fully digital 10.2-inch driver display that provides clear, customizable information right in your line of sight. Top trims offer a wireless charging pad, a premium Bose sound system, and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone charged and connected. Safety remains a top priority for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V continues to lead in this area. Every model comes standard with the updated Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The system has been recalibrated for smoother, more natural intervention. A new feature, Traffic Jam Assist, helps with low-speed steering and braking in congested traffic, while the blind spot information system and rear cross traffic monitor make maneuvering in tight spaces safer and easier. Honda has also introduced new driver monitoring technology that uses a camera to detect signs of drowsiness or distraction and alerts the driver to take action. It's clear that the 2026 CR-V isn't just designed for comfort and style, it's engineered with your safety and peace of mind at the forefront. Fuel economy has also improved, especially in the hybrid variant, which can achieve over 40 miles per gallon combined depending on driving conditions. That means fewer stops at the gas station and more time on the open road. For eco-conscious buyers, this is a big win, offering sustainability without compromising performance. When it comes to pricing, Honda is expected to keep the CR-V competitive within its class. The base model offers strong value with a solid list of standard features, while higher trims like the EXL and Touring bring in luxury touches like leather seats, panoramic sunroof, and ambient interior lighting. In essence, the 2026 Honda CR-V represents the evolution of a legend. It's smarter, greener, and more refined than ever before, a perfect blend of technology, comfort, and capability. Whether you're a family driver looking for reliability or an adventurer seeking versatility, the new CR-V is built to fit every lifestyle. As Honda moves deeper into the hybrid and electrified era, the CR-V continues to serve as a bridge, combining traditional reliability with futuristic innovation. It's not just another SUV, it's a statement that practicality can still be exciting, and efficiency can still feel premium. So, if you've been waiting for the next chapter in Honda's SUV legacy, the 2026 CR-V might just be the one you've been waiting for. Stylish on the outside, smart on the inside, and safe all around, this is an SUV that truly lives up to its name. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Honda CR-V. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the latest from the world of cars, bikes, and everything that moves. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Until next time.